Crocamole.
Oh, there we go.
Do I look good?
Perfect.
Okay, I'm going to do it now.
Okay.
Oh, a game. Okay, let's say the same fruit at the same time.
I love this game. You can join in too.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Pineapple.
Orange. Pineapple.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, all right. fair
Okay,
enough.
let's try again.
1, 2, 3.
Strawberry.
Banana.
Oh, close.
I was going to say that.
Okay, this has got to be the one.
This is it. 1, 2, 3. Lime.
Lime?
Lime, yes.
Ooh.
Strange choice.
Oh, that's okay.
Would you like some of our fruit salad?
Oh, it's very yummy. Look at all of our pretend fruit.
Yum.
Fruit salad is so yummy, yummy, yummy. Fruit salad in my tummy, tummy, tummy.
Kiwi fruit green and orange too.
Strawberries are red and blueberries are blue. Fruity fruit salad is so yummy, yummy, yummy. Fruity fruit salad in my tummy, tummy, tummy. Yellow banana and pineapple so sweet.
Passion fruit, it's my favourite
That
thing
is
to
a
eat.
good one.
Hey, but why do we have all this fruit out? It's dinner.
Oh, but you can eat juicy fruit any time of the day.
A good point.
Oh, maybe I can make a fruit hat too. Fruit salad is so yummy, yummy, yummy. Fruit salad in my tummy, tummy, tummy.
Green apple and grapes will make this salad great.
Mix it all together, oh boy, I can't wait. Fruity fruit salad is so yummy, yummy, yummy. Fruity fruit salad in my tummy, tummy, tummy.
Kiwi fruit green and orange too.
Strawberries are red and blueberries are blue. Oh, arriba!